Okay, right. So in question 2, they say that on a set of x's, sketch the graph of y, 2x minus 1 squared plus 5. Show the coordinates of the turning point and the y-intercept. Sketch your graph on the grid provided on the next page. This is the grid, the grid that they're talking about. Okay. Now they want us to find the coordinates of the turning points. Now I want you to remember, if you are given, this is a parabola, and just so you know, we are dealing with a parabola. All right, we call this a parabola. Now, in according to the properties of a parabola, if you are given your parabola in the form x minus p plus q, we call this kind of a form the turning point form. Turning point form. All right, so basically if you want to find your turning point, it's basically going to be p comma q. All right, that's how you can find the turning point if you are given the parabola in that kind of a form. So the turning point for this one, it should be minus not minus 1, it should be 1 comma 5. This is the turning point. All right, now another thing that they want us to do is to find the y-intercept. So if you wanted to find the y-intercept, you're gonna say let x equals to 0, then you're gonna say y equals to um sorry um 2 times 0 minus 1 all that squared plus 5. If you put that in the calculator, you should get 2 times 0 minus 1 squared plus 5. You should get 6. So basically your y-intercept should be 0 comma 6, right? So basically that's the answers we're looking for. So remember, now we need to plot the graph. We're gonna still use the blue pen. Now plotting the graph, we need to go from 0 comma 6. So it's 1 2 3 4 5. It's 2 4 6 8 10. Let me see if I can find a better okay, they want us to use this one. Okay, right, so it's 0 2 4 6. So the point it's gonna be here, and then 0 comma 6, and then the turning point, it's 1 comma 5 2 4 6. So 1 comma 5 is somewhere here. Okay, so that will be the turning point there. And then yeah, so we have the y-intercept, we have the turning point to be 1 comma 5. Yeah, and then remember the function has a positive value of a, so it's going to be concave upwards. So this function is a concave up. So to accurately try and draw the function, I'm not sure how yours is gonna look like, cause my grid is a little bit smaller. But if you wanna try and draw it, this is how it's supposed to look like. So it's gonna go from here and go up somewhere there. I'm sorry, let me start over. It's gonna go from here maybe, then yeah, something like this. Sorry, let me try drawing it accurately. um how can I put it? it's gonna go somewhere like this. Then if you and something like this, oh snap, um let me just do this for you quickly. Right, then yeah, probably something like this, ne? Now remember, you need to write down your turning points, ne? I didn't do it. Let me just do this. Your turning point is here. Yes. Now that looks better. Your turning point is 1 comma 5. Your y-intercept is 6 comma 0, and then that's how your function should actually look like approximately. It may be a little bit inaccurate, but basically that's how your function should look like in your graph. Okay,